So good to see you tonight. You know, I have a 5-year-old and I have a 13-year-old. My 5-year-old his first week of school and actually had a day off because there was an earthquake, which was really fun for playing my PowerPoint design. But anyway, but you know, when I ask him what tagging is, to him, tagging is that game they play on the playground, right? And when I ask my art friends what tagging is, well, hey, that's a wall open for a statement. And when I ask my friends on Twitter what tagging is, well, it's the hashtag, right? So you can follow it tonight so everybody knows what in the world's going on. And then when I talk to my friends in metadata about what it means, well, okay, we're dealing with semantics. We're dealing with all kinds of language that's going on. What wonderful things you said. And we're also dealing with QR codes and all the amazing stuff that can happen. And what this allows us to do is have amazing conversations with all different kinds of people. So I want to talk to you a little about the history of tagging. So if you go back in time and you go like to caves of Latin America and South America, or you go inside the pyramids to blocks of space that no one ever is going to see in their entire life, or you go look at bricks in Babylon, guess what you're going to see? You're going to see, I was here, my name was Bob. Because that's what happens over time. We want to make an imprint, we want to communicate with generations way beyond ourselves. So that's what's going on within the history of tagging. And then there's personal history. See, when I was 6 years old and my life was falling apart, you know what I started doing? I started writing on a wall on the playground. I spent an entire year using sandstones and chalk and drawing on a wall, and every single day my drawing would go away. But I would write it again and again and again. Because sometimes when you write on a wall, it's a plea for help, a cry for change, or simply it was, I was here. So I was recently in Philadelphia speaking for the ONC, and when I went out the building of the hotel, which was really actually sort of scary, because I'm used to DC and the white streets, and when I was walking by, there's this amazing, amazing doorway right there just filled with tags and sticker tags, and you know what that reminded me of? That reminded me of Health 2.0, because I don't know if you've ever hit the site, it looks exactly like that. And so it's tagged all over the place with all kinds of sponsors and stuff, as well as their own organization, and there's just, you know, just amazing rapid amount of information. And that's the exact same thing that tagging is. And that's what you want to think about Health 2.0. It's invasive. We go where we're not wanted and we take over. We're an invasive species, just to let you know. So what does an outsider artist or an innovative startup or say a social media savvy doctor do to get their message out? Well, hey, we all know what that answer is. You write it on a wall. So, Health 2.0, what does it mean? Matthew Holt has his own definition of Health 2.0. His definition goes around more of the technology, the communities, the videos, the blogs that we create, how we mash all those together, and it's cheap, and it's easy, and it's fast, and you get that word out. I mean, this is the group of people that are behind the developer challenge. This is the group of people who will create you an app in just 6 hours, and it's going to rock the world. That's Health 2.0. Or is it like my friend Dr. Ted says, it's more about participation and creation of communities and bringing patients to the table and all of us being part of this amazing message and a future that we're all working in together. So when I look at chronic care models of care and what's going on within that more old-fashioned care system, I think of Banksy, and I think of that painting. Because that's an amazingly powerful painting when you paint a boy on a wall, because you see that child and you're really worried for her, because you know what's going to happen, those balloons are going to pop. And that's our care model right now. We need a different one. We need one with balloons on top, parachutes all around, and a trampoline underneath, baby. And that's what Health 2.0, empowered patients using e-patient strategy, and allowing for social media, participation in care, can create for us all. It's a checks and balances system. So that's me in front of a painting called 73 Cents that I painted that got picked up by the Rooster Collective. And I don't know if you know this, but not only Health 2.0 was doing things really rapidly, we were doing things really rapidly within street art, and smash, they all came together. So imagine a wall of people, techs, doctors, patients all working together, creating a worldwide movement where we become disruptive, invasive in every single part of care. Imagine that. And imagine coming to Health 2.0 in San Francisco from September 25th through September 27th and being part of that. Because I tell you, if you are there, there will be a mural, and it will be huge. And it will be Health 2.0 100, meeting the institutional hierarchy 100, and how they smash in the middle. And every single one of you who are there will create your own tag. Because guess what? This story is about